Joint health and safety committees and representatives in the workplace provide an opportunity for employers and workers to discuss their concerns and work together to make everyone safer. Health and safety committees and representatives also help support and inform workers of their right to know, right to participate, and right to refuse dangerous work. A health and safety committee is a group of worker and employer representatives working together to address health and safety concerns. A health and safety representative is a worker who is designated as the health and safety representative for an employer as required by OH&S legislation. Alberta OH&S legislation has the following Health and Safety Committee and Health and Safety Representative requirements. A Health and Safety Committee is required when an employer regularly employs 20 or more workers. A Health and Safety Representative is required when an employer regularly employs between 5 and 19 workers. For federally regulated employers, a Health and Safety Committee must be established by companies employing 20 or more regularly employed people. A Health and Safety Representative is required for a company employing fewer than 20 regularly employed people. The Health and Safety Committee plays an important role in the occupational health and safety program, giving workers and employers a way to work together to identify and find solutions to workplace health and safety issues. Let's take a look at one example. A worker identifies a situation that may be unhealthy or unsafe and reports it to the committee. The committee looks at the concern relevant to health and safety and decides on a course of action. If the issue can be dealt with by a member of the committee, informal recommendation can be made without further consultation. This can be documented in the meeting minutes with the recommendation and the action taken. If the issue requires a formal recommendation, a committee member writes a proposal to the employer outlining effective recommendations. The employer may accept the Health and Safety Committee's recommendations or give reason for not accepting the recommendation. If the employer rejects the recommendation, the Health and Safety Committee should review the reasons and determine whether a revised recommendation is appropriate. The committee then reports back and creates appropriate documents. The results of any recommendations should be communicated in writing to workers. Health and Safety Committee and Health and Safety Representatives are a key element of the internal responsibility system. An amta certified COR auditor is verifying through multiple validation methods that the employer is meeting legislated requirements. They're also checking that the Health and Safety Committees and/or Health and Safety Representatives are collaborating to reduce injuries and incidents and promote health and safety in the workplace.